Welcome to How to File an Annual Report Online with the North Carolina Secretary of State's Office. This tutorial is brought to you by the North Carolina Department of the Secretary of State. Begin on sosnc.gov by clicking the yellow File Your Business Annual Report button. From the business registration search engine, you can search for a business by name. For this example, we're searching for a company called Testco Limited Liability Partnership. This takes you to the search results page where you will find your business listed with others alphabetically. Click the yellow File Annual Report button beside the name of your business. This takes you to a list of previous annual report submissions. Click the yellow File Current Annual Report Due button. This takes you to the certification page where you will certify the entity you're filing for and certify that you are authorized to file the annual report for the entity. Check both boxes, then click Next. Select the fiscal year for the filing. Click Next. Here you'll be asked whether 50% or more of your company is owned by a U.S. military veteran. If you answer yes, you'll also be asked whether 50% or more of your company is owned by a disabled U.S. military veteran and whether your company has net receipts of less than $1 million. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select your registered agent. Next, you'll be asked to enter your registered agent's street address and mailing address. You'll now be asked to enter your principal office street address and your principal office mailing address. This takes you to the Company Officials page. On this screen, you can add, edit, and delete the names of officials. If you want to add a company official, click Add Official. Enter the official's title. You'll be asked whether the official is a commercial entity. Now you'll see the newly added company official. On the next screen, select the company official who's filing this annual report. The next screen will take you to information about the Federal Beneficial Ownership Information Filing Requirement, which is administered by the federal government. The North Carolina Secretary of State does not administer this program and is not qualified to answer questions about filing requirements for this program. On the next screen, you'll see a preview of your annual report filing. Click Go to Checkout. This takes you to the Fees and Payment page to submit your filing. Select your payment type, then click Pay and Submit. This takes you to the Invoice and Details page. Click on the invoice link. This downloads a receipt in PDF. We also have a manual on our site if you have more questions about the annual report filing process. Thanks for watching How to File an Annual Report Online with the North Carolina Secretary of State's Office, brought to you by the North Carolina Department of the Secretary of State.